Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. Okay, now first you'll have to go and open www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in using your Google account that has the channel that you want to transfer or change its Google account. So simply I'm logged in into my test account or my test channel. This is a small channel of me. So simply I'll go and click on my profile picture on the top right side. And now after that, you should go and click on YouTube Studio. Now, after clicking on YouTube Studio, it will navigate you through the YouTube Studio itself. Now you can go and click on the bottom left side where you can navigate to settings. Once you click on settings, you can see here all the settings of your channel. Go to permissions. After going to permissions, you can now invite some people. So simply here you have the email of yours and you should be logged in. And if you didn't log in yet, you can simply log in using your account. Now I'm going to click on invite. Okay, now I have added this email, for example, and then you can choose the access. You can choose between manager, editor limited, subtitle editor, viewer limited, and so on. I will make it manager. You can even make it honor if you want. Then simply click on save. And here I have the invitation pending. Now, when you go and open this email inbox, you can find the invitation is pending. So you can simply click on the invitation and accept this invitation to become the owner of this channel. Okay, so now I have opened the email and here I have the invitation. Now you can see the stats, and if you accept it, you can reply to this person. Okay, if you want to see more stats, you can click on here. You can watch a video of this person and you can accept the invitation. Now go and click on manage permissions. Then here you can see that your email is the primary owner. Now go and click on this add button. Then go and type here the email that you want to give access to or that you want to give the honor to. Then choose the rule and choose honor. After that, click on invite and then email will be sent to this email. He can find it in his inbox. You can simply click on accept invitation, then click on accept again. And after that, here you can go to manage permissions again and see that you have two emails. Now go and click on the honor section and set it as primary honor. After that, click on transfer and it will show you here this small message that the primary ownership can only be transferred to a user who has been a manager for more than 7 days. So you'll have to wait for 1 week, 10 days, then you can transfer the ownership to the other account and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.